A Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers worth it. As a Toyota 4Runner owner, you might have wondered if wheel spacers are a good idea for your car. Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers are devices that fit between the wheel and the hub, increasing the distance between the two. They can improve the appearance, handling, and clearance of your Toyota 4Runner. But are they worth it? Sure! One of the main reasons why people get wheel spacers is to enhance the look of their car. Wheel spacers can make your wheels move flush with the fenders, giving your 4Runner a more aggressive and smooth stance. They can also fill in the gap between the wheel and the brake caliper, making your brakes more visible and attractive. Another benefit of wheel spacers is that they can improve the handling and stability of your 4Runner. By widening the track width of your car, wheel spacers can reduce the body roll and increase the cornering grip. They can also improve the steering response and feedback, making your Toyota 4Runner more responsive and fun to drive. Wheel spacers can also help you fit larger wheels and tires on your car. If you want to upgrade your wheels or tires, you might encounter some clearance issues with the stock setup. Wheel spacers can create more space between the wheel and the suspension components, allowing you to fit wider or bigger wheels and tires without revving. If you decide to get wheel spacers for your Toyota 4Runner, you should consider some factors before buying them. One of them is the quality of the wheel spacers. You should choose wheel spacers that are made by reputable brands and designed specifically for your Toyota 4Runner model and year. You should avoid cheap wheel spacers that might not fit perfectly or safely on your car. Bonus wheel spacers are worth running. Bonus Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers that use low-quality materials are not strong enough and will default and endanger driving safety under strong impact. By contrast, Bonus insists on producing professional Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry's safety and professional standards. Being a high-end wheel spacer company, it is sure that the designs are expressive and geared towards improving performance and aesthetics. The main advantages of the Bonus wheel spacers is the active cooling. The Bonus Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grills to make brake cooling better. Distributed in paper shape, these grills allow the internal cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improve safety. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a good day.